I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and core iCloud services are enabled. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Enable Photos, iCloud Backup, and Drive so data flows. Check available storage and compare used versus total to decide if you need a plan upgrade. Once done, upgrade to 50 GB or 200 GB from settings if space is low. This prevents partial uploads and keeps new photos and documents syncing immediately. You now configure precise syncing to free phone space. Turn on iCloud Photos and choose Optimize iPhone Storage so originals are stored in iCloud while smaller versions stay on your device. This saves GBs. Next, enable iCloud Backup and run a manual backup to capture current app data and settings. Then move large files, videos, project folders into iCloud Drive and verify uploads complete, because deleting local copies before confirmation could lose data. Make sure uploads finish before freeing storage. To finish, verify everything synced. Check photos and files for recent items and settings iCloud for the last backup timestamp. Once confirmed, safely delete local originals and large files to reclaim space. If syncing stalls, sign out and back into iCloud for that service, restart the device, and reconnect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This forces re-authentication and often resumes uploads. Make sure to manage storage proactively. Offload unused apps or choose a larger plan so syncing remains smooth and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.